Pendulum Metabolic Daily Review. Is it worth the price? Today I tested it out and here's what happened. If you're considering Pendulum Metabolic Daily and want to know whether it actually delivers enough value to justify its price, the next couple of minutes will give you a clear explanation of what it does, how to use it properly, and whether it's something that could realistically support your metabolism and overall health. This supplement is a daily probiotic designed to support metabolic health through the gut. The idea behind it is that certain beneficial bacteria in the digestive system can influence how the body processes food, manages blood sugar, and uses energy. Instead of using a long list of common probiotic strains, this formula focuses on a smaller group of carefully selected bacteria that are linked to metabolic balance. One of the key strains included is Akkermansia muciniphila, a type of beneficial bacteria that naturally exists in the gut and is often connected with healthy metabolism and balanced sugar levels. Alongside this strain, the formula includes additional beneficial bacteria intended to support digestion and overall gut health. The capsules are designed to help protect the bacteria so they can reach the digestive system effectively. This helps ensure the probiotics remain active where they are needed most. Because the supplement focuses on metabolic health, it is often used by people who want support with blood sugar balance, appetite control, and overall digestive wellness. Using it is very straightforward. The first step is to take the recommended serving of 2 capsules once a day with water. Many people find it easiest to take in the morning as part of a daily routine. The second step is consistency. Probiotic supplements work gradually because they support changes in the gut environment over time. Taking the capsules daily allows the beneficial bacteria to establish themselves and support the digestive system more effectively. The third step is combining the supplement with supportive habits such as balanced meals, regular physical activity, and enough sleep, since gut health works closely with overall lifestyle. Another point people often consider is quality. The supplement is produced in controlled manufacturing facilities that follow strict safety and testing standards. The strains used in the formula are carefully studied and selected to ensure they remain stable and effective in capsule form. For many people, this focuses on targeted probiotic strains is one reason the product is priced higher than many standard probiotics. When looking at the overall value, the price often reflects the specialized strains used and the research behind them. Instead of being a general probiotic designed only for digestion, the formula is intended to support metabolic processes that influence energy balance and blood sugar regulation. So is it worth the price? For people specifically looking for a probiotic that focuses on metabolic health rather than just digestion, Pendulum Metabolic Daily can be a worthwhile option. The targeted strains, combined with consistent daily use, make it a convenient way to support gut health and metabolism as part of the balanced wellness routine.